This assembly line is a customized Prismatic Lithium battery energy storage pack. Automatic production line based on the customer's production process requirements and workshop layout. Sunka Lead specializes in providing one-stop solutions for semi-automatic, fully automatic assembly lines of lithium battery packs used in energy storage systems, electric vehicles, two-wheelers, three-wheelers, electric tools, and other industries. Don't hesitate, contact us to get more professional battery pack assembly line solutions. We provide the optimal solution based on our budget. Please feel free to contact us for any inquiry or project consultation.